My dear students of class 9, this is the chemistry question paper. In this question paper only exam oriented questions are there, and this type of question will be asked in your coming examination. Not the same question will be asked, but if you are here to prepare all the questions, you can easily write your examination paper better. All the questions will be of MCQ type. The first question is here: ammonium chloride is an example of dash material. You will have 4 different options, out of which only one option will be your correct answer. Let me tell you the answer of this question number 1. The answer of this question is sublime. Ammonium chloride is an example of sublime materials. So you will have to search where is sublime, in which option it is given sublime, either in option A, B, C or D, and accordingly you will have to select and tick it over. Second one is, the mixture having uniform composition throughout it is called dash mixture. You know the answer better. This is homogeneous mixture. So similarly you will have to select the answer. Third one, alloy is a dash mixture. Which type of mixture the alloy is? Fourth one, the element sodium is an example of dash. Sodium is an example of dash. There will be 4 options. First one metal, second non-metal, then metal whites, fourth can't say. You know the sodium element is an example of metal, so you'll have to select the option accordingly. Fifth one is, solutes and solvents are the main components of dash. Solutes and solvents are the main components of dash. Option will be suspension, colloid, solution, all of these. You will have to select only the right answer. Sixth, mass by mass percentage of a solution is given as mass of solute by mass of dash into 100. Now in this blank you will have to select the appropriate answer from the options and then fill it back. Means you will have to select the appropriate answer from the 4 different options. The options will be like solvent, solute, solution, all of these. You better know what is the answer written here. What should be the answer written here? Seventh one, the technique which is used to separate drugs from blood is dash. Name the technique which is used to separate drugs from blood. There will be 4 options: chromatography, sublimation, then distillation, all of these. You will have to select only the right answer, right option. Question number 8. A mixture of salt and camphor can be separated by the technique dash. What is the technique which is used to separate the mixture of salt and camphor? So out of these 2 components, camphor is a sublime, in which the technique that should be used here is sublimation. So out of 4 options, 1 option will be sublimation. Like this you will have to select. So dear students, I am telling you the answers of all the questions also, so that it will be very easy for you to understand what will be the options, which type of options will be there, and which type of questions will be asked in the examination. The 9th one, evaporation of a substance always occurs at below dash. The options will be melting point, boiling point, both A and B, none of these. You have to select the correct option. 10th, the conversion of solid into liquid is termed as dash. What is the process in which solid changes into liquid? The options will be fusion, then it will be sublimation, both A and B, none of these. Accordingly you will have to select. So dear students, this type of questions will be asked in your examination, and the date sheet of the examination will be given to you by our respected principal sir on the mobile of your parents. So don't worry about the dates also. You should not worry about the date sheets. You should not worry about the exam plan also. Each and everybody will get updated by our school. Thank you.